My journey with fixing things started very young. I remember as a kid, we were playing inside the house with me and my sister, playing inside the house with a big no-no for my dad, right? And we broke this one piece of glass from a big cupboard. Since I was so scared that my dad will yell at me, I had to quickly fix it with glue. It is insanely funny that he only noticed it months later, and we had a laugh after that. My father had a repair shop while we were growing up, and I was always surrounded by the tools, soldering rods, transistors, capacitors. Maybe this environment would have influenced my interest in fixing things, and it has always been there with me. Now that I think about it, it's been ages since we called somebody at home for any household repairs. Back when I was doing my mechanical engineering, I just loved my workshop assignments. There's a significant difference between making something out of hardware and software. In software, you can undo, modify, and evolve your code, right? But with hardware, especially in carpentry, you have to go about it one cut at a time. Measure twice and cut once is a saying that has really stuck with me. It's all about making those careful, well thought out decisions and being patient that has helped me in life and at work. As a lead DevOps engineer at Hiver, I've come to understand that effective team management is fundamentally about trying to be as human as possible, and it's mainly about active listening and being open to their diverse perspectives. 5-6 years ago, I was looking for a table which had a built-in charging station. I wanted it to be highly customized as well. My idea was to just build one for myself, and thus not only building a piece of furniture but also a solution and gesture. The sense of achievement that I get from seeing a piece take shape under my hands is indescribable, right? So behind every piece that I make, there's a clear vision that I have on how this should be at the end. I take precise measurements and slowly sand my ideas to life. Sanding is my zen in carpentry. It's a gradual process where I personally lose myself and I find clarity in what I'm doing. There are times when we are swamped with work, but there are also times when we are relatively relaxed, and that's when I find time to get back to carpentry and find time for myself. Unlike everything I do, carpentry is very personal and private to myself, far from the glamour of social media, and I would like to keep it under the table, pun intended. It is about the joy that I get out of shaping a piece into a functional, aesthetic, and a long-lasting creation which is uniquely mine. At Hiver, I'm not just maintaining software, I'm creating a life of balance, bite by bite and plank by plank.